How are you?
Wise.Repair, how are you?
Yes, do you mind if we recorded what we're doing?
No, that's totally fine.
All right.
Like I said, you know, the thing is 13 years old. Do I want to keep it or do I get a new one?
All right, where we going?
Straight in, yeah. So you can get it right on.
Uh-huh.
So that's the book I had on it, but I couldn't find anything that said to replace it.
Mm-hmm.
So what happens is, when you turn on cold, see, I just ran a load of laundry, so it's working now, but in the very beginning of the morning, it only skipped out a little.
Mm-hmm.
You can hear it start, and it does that, but it doesn't, now it's working because I ran it.
Because we here, yeah. Now it's working good, yeah, I get
Well,
you.
so what I don't understand,
Uh-huh.
Better.
yeah, that's cold.
Yeah, that's
That's
cool.
cold by
Yeah.
itself.
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. The water comes out.
Yeah.
It literally was like a frozen pipe, and I'm like, it can't be frozen, this is an inside wall.
If we're gonna do the video, do you mind if it's your face gonna be on the video, or you wanna blur it?
It's totally fine.
Yeah, I think it's
It's
gonna.
all good. I'm not gonna worry about it.
Yeah, we're not gonna.
Straight up, yeah. Thank you, got everything?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay, take care, guys.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye now.
Just call Wise Repair, and your appliances will work like new.